A compatible smartphone or other mobile device connected via Bluetooth can greatly expand the communication and media capabilities of your Audi. To begin, the vehicle should be in park with the ignition on. On the compatible device, enable Bluetooth. On the upper display, select Phone on the home screen. Then select Connect Mobile Device. Make sure the phone is unlocked and that the Bluetooth menu is active on the phone. The phone should appear in the list. Select the device. If the device does not appear, update the list with the refresh icon. A PIN will be sent to the phone. If it matches the PIN in the MMI, select Pair on your phone and accept all other confirmation messages. On iPhones, a prompt will appear. Enabling wireless CarPlay will disable the Bluetooth connection. Select Not Now. Apple CarPlay can be enabled later. The device is now connected and will automatically reconnect when it re-enters the vehicle as long as Bluetooth remains on. For iPhone connections, it is advisable to enable Show Notifications and Sync Contacts in the Bluetooth menu by selecting the eye icon next to the Audi MMI listing. An additional phone can be paired in the similar way. With Bluetooth enabled, ensure that Audi MMI appears in the list of available connections. Select Phone in the MMI. The first paired phone will appear. Select the additional phone icon. Then, follow the same procedure as with the first phone. When more than one phone is connected via Bluetooth, both phones can take and receive calls via the MMI. To set the second phone as the primary device, select the phone menu in the MMI. The primary device will be shown in the header. To switch, touch the Switch Telephones icon. To delete a device, open the Notification Center menu. Select Connected Devices, then press and hold the icon for the phone to be deleted until the Options menu appears. Select Delete to remove the device.